Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the archive is either in unknown format or damaged error solution. Type 7-zip download in browser search bar. Click download 7-zip. Open File Explorer. Right-click this PC, Properties. My system type is 64-bit OS. Download 64-bit. Your system type is 32-bit, you can download 32-bit. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Install. 7-zip installed successfully. Right-click Damaged Archive. Click 7-zip, extract here. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.